Imagine opening up your email platform on Monday and your entire campaign calendar for the month is already built. Every email written in your brand's voice, designed in your colors, and scheduled on the right days. And you didn't touch one of them. No brief, no designer, no week-long wait. You just review what has been created, make a few tweaks, and hit approve. That's exactly what TargetBay's AI marketing agent does for e-commerce stores. And it all starts from a single URL. Today, we're gonna cover what it is, how it works, and do a quick demo of the experience. Let's get into it. Now, really quick before we dive into the video, I have partnered with TargetBay to get you an exclusive offer for my audience. Use that first link down below in the description and you're gonna get 20% off your first 3 months. So you could get started today with zero risk. Now, what is TargetBay? TargetBay is an all-in-one email and SMS marketing platform built specifically for e-commerce stores. Their core product is called Bay Engage, and the AI marketer agent is their newest addition. It will replace your copywriter, designer, and the developer in a single step. And that's why over 5,000 brands have used their platform and sent more than 1 billion emails. Is that not insane? The AI agent is trained on e-commerce patterns like seasonality, buying intent, product positioning, and what actually converts in a store. So let's break down the core features that you're gonna get. First, let's talk about the AI brand onboarding. You give it one thing, your website URL, and the agent will go to your site and automatically pull everything it needs. Your logo, colors, brand mission, tone of voice, even your content preferences. And that means within seconds, a full brand profile is built. No forms, no setup, and every campaign you make from this point forward is gonna be on brand. And as you know, if you've spent hours briefing designers on brand guidelines, this alone is a huge time saver. Next up, let's talk about the AI campaign recommendations. Once it knows your brand, it'll analyze your store and generate campaign recommendations, each with a strategic brief on why it makes sense, who to target, and which products to feature, and most importantly, when to send. Then you'll pick the campaign you want to launch, and every field is already filled out. Name, audience, tone, products, schedule. You are not starting from a blank screen. Instead, you're reviewing a finished plan and saying yes or no. Third, let's talk about conversational campaign creation. You can build an entire campaign calendar just by chatting with the agent. No forms, no switching tabs. Describe what you need and it will build it. And what stood out to me the most, if you ask for more campaigns than you have send slots, it catches the conflict and will offer ways to fix it instead of failing silently. And that means your email schedule is gonna be full, but it's gonna be full in a conversational way. Fourth, design inspiration. Let's say you see an email you like anywhere else. It's in your inbox, a competitor, a brand you admire. Just take a screenshot, upload it, and the agent rebuilds it as a fully editable template. But it's using your own brand colors and assets. You could even mix and match. A hero section from one email, a product block from another. And don't worry if you have no reference at all, it builds one from scratch off of your brand profile. Fifth, let's talk about the prompt library. There's a library of 100+ pre-written prompts organized by section. Hero, product block, coupon block, testimonial, countdown timer, and more. No HTML or no technical terms needed. Pick a section, pick a prompt, hit use prompt, and the full spec loads automatically. The agent builds from there. And this is an amazing safety net for anyone nervous about an AI first interface. It's all written for you already. Now, once you've set up your account and you've gone through the onboarding flow, your page should look something like this. What we're gonna do is click on the AI email agent. As you can see here, it will open up your content calendar. And I love how this works. Now, there's a few key things I want to highlight for you. First, you could search for a campaign that you already have set and scheduled. Second, you could also ask the AI for recommendations. We're gonna do that in a minute. Here, you could also see holidays and things happening that you may want to pay attention to. And fourth, you're starting to see it as well. There is a plus sign on every date if you specifically want to create a campaign. And that's where we're gonna start. So I'm gonna click on the plus sign. You'll see two options here, campaign recommendation or start fresh. In this case, I'm gonna click campaign recommendation and click continue. As you can see, it's taken products from our store and is giving us recommendations of emails that we can send. In this case, the Essentials Edit, the 5-piece capsule for every season. I love the idea here. So I'm gonna click use this idea. Then from there, I'm gonna click customize. And here we could go deeper, make adjustments, tweak it to our liking, and a lot more features as well. On the right here, you see the template preferences, and right now it says create from scratch, or I can choose a template. Now, as you've been working in your account, building things up, adding in template screenshots, you're gonna build a library here. In this case, I'm gonna click on Zen AI and choose the base template and click continue. Then from here, I'm gonna select my recipients, which this will be my lists, and I'm gonna do send to all subscribers. Now, let's create the campaign. As you can see, the AI is working, and this is just taking a few moments. Now, let's take a look at what it's built. First of all, it's a demo account, so the logo, your logo would be here. I just don't have a logo uploaded, and that's on me. But here, you could see something really cool. Let's take a look over at the chat. If you remember, we asked it to create this feature of the 5 essential items. Well, what it did was it went to our products, pulled the product images, and then generated this image with AI. So this is not something that I created or something that was pre-created. It designed this image. And it also selected the 5 items as well. It's incredible. And then you have more copy down here, as well as a discount, which I love. Now you could see some of the text is placeholder text, so that's something that we would need to work on, but we could just start to describe our changes or anything we need here. If you want to adjust the design, you could do that here. And then if you want to adjust the campaign settings, you could also do that right here. Now, I'm going to send a test email to myself and let's take a look. Now, this is the preview email. Your essential 5 start with confidence, and then the email shows up here. This is awesome. And now this whole process took us just a few minutes, and when we're ready, we can save it and schedule the campaign. And this was just one email. If you want to set up sequences of emails, you could do that as well. And this is all just scratching the surface of what's possible. Now let's cover their pricing. First, the self-serve plan starts at $39 a month, and this is gonna give you one AI-generated campaign plus the full campaign calendar. This is a great way to get started. Next up is their $59 a month plan for 2 campaigns. From there, you could go to $99 a month for 4, and then from there, you could go to $139 for 6 and $179 for 8. Which is built for a high volume store that needs real speed and scale. Every plan includes the campaign calendar, and all of them are cancel anytime, no contracts, no retainers, or no per campaign fees. You generate up to your plan's limit at one flat price. And if you'd rather not build them yourself, TargetBay also offers a done for you option starting at $249 a month. The same AI engine, but their team handles your campaigns for you. If that's more your angle, book a demo through the link in the description. And remember, when you use that link down below, you're gonna get an extra 20% off your first 3 months. So who is this for? If you run an e-commerce store, whether it's fashion, beauty, home goods, wellness, outdoor gear, and email is consistently the thing that either doesn't go out on time or gets rushed, or it looks generic, this is worth a serious look. It is especially strong for small teams and founders trying to operate like a full marketing department. If you're ready to get started today, don't forget to use that first link down below. And if you got value from today's video and you want more content like this, subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them in the comments below. And with that, I'll see you in the next one. Peace.